Hi, and welcome to CompTIA Network+Lab series, Network Concepts. For Lab 6, Network Management, I'm going to walk you through the lab today, so let's begin by going through some of the objectives. We're first going to identify types of configuration management documentation, such as baselines. Then we're going to conduct network monitoring to identify performance and connectivity issues. And lastly, we're going to identify common security threats and mitigation techniques through patches and updates. I already set up my lab screen over onto the left and logged into the Net+Lab. And over to the right, I set up a copy of the lab as a PDF form. Through this form, it will give you a listing of some of the included tasks, which is to analyze CPU and network utilization with Performance Monitor. Next, we're going to use the event viewer to view logs, and last, manage patches and updates. The main objective is to understand and perform network management tasks. Network management is an important responsibility of the CompTIA Network Plus technician that is very broad in scope. Network management is a major domain of the CompTIA Network Plus examination and represents 20% of the exam. Network management topics include, but are not limited to, the OSI model, network documentation, establishing baselines, monitoring, optimizing, and troubleshooting. This lab will explore network management concepts, and by the end of the lab, students should be able to understand and perform common network management tasks. There are some key terms that are available for this lab. I would suggest you review these before you start so that you understand some of the concepts that we'll be speaking about through this lab. If you scroll down through the PDF, you will see that they have a copy of the lab topography, but the one in the lab is interactive, so if you clicked on any of these devices or the pictures of these devices, it will take you to the virtual machine itself. Scroll down more, and under lab settings, it will give you the IP address and the password to log into each of the devices that we will be utilizing in this lab. And in this lab, we're going to use Windows 2K8 R2 internal 1 and Backtrack 5 internal. It'll also give you instructions on how to log into these. And I'd like to welcome you guys back for the next video, where we will talk about lesson 1 about analyzing CPU and network utilization with performance monitoring. Make sure you log into all your devices. See you soon.